Hello everyone, it's Alex Soko again today, and Alex Soko from ALTBLOC, and today we have another special segment for you today called Gainers and Losers on CoinMarketCap. As we initially said, CoinMarketCap is an app that shows you the value of every cryptocurrency on a daily basis, and it changes per second per time according to how the market is. So it shows you real-time figures of what's really going on. But this segment is on Gainers and Losers. It's a column under CoinMarketCap that shows you what coins make it on a daily basis per second per time. That's another thing why I like CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is all about what is going on as it is. Anyway, so today we noticed that Viking is doing 1,330% in the last 24 hours. We have Leo Floki, we have Chihuahua, we have Safe Affinity. These are all coins that have been doing well today. You see it on the gainers points. Then if we scroll come here, you see the top losers for today. So Hokanda Inu has lost 92% in 24 hours. As you can see, also on top here we have the 7-day column, we have the 24-hour column, we have the 1-hour column. It tells you how many percent it has lost in that hour and every day. So that is all we have today for gainers and losers, and that's how you know. So a quick recap: this is top gainers, you come here, you check what coins have made it, and top losers, you check what coins have made it, and a 1-hour frame, 24-hour frame, and 7-hour frame. Thanks.